In this question, we are asked to write a linear equation in slope-intercept form with the following two requirements. The equation has to have the same y-intercept as 16y is equal to 8x plus 32, and it has to be parallel to the line at 3x plus 3y is equal to 9. The easiest way to do this would to get both of these questions or both of these given examples in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to go ahead and solve for y for both of these. For the first one, I'm going to divide everything by 16 to get y by itself. So I will get y is equal to 8 divided by 16, that's 1/2 x, and then 32 divided by 16 is 2. So my first problem, or my first equation, says the same intercept as this same equation, so my y-intercept has to be equal to 2. And then over here, I'm going to try to figure out what line can also be parallel to the 3x plus 3y is equal to 9. In order to do that, again, I'm going to get this in slope-intercept form, so I'm going to start by subtracting 3x from both sides. So I'm going to have 3y is equal to, I'm going to go and write slope first, minus 3x plus 9. And then one more step, I'm going to divide everything by 3 on the left and right sides to get y all by itself. So I have y is equal to negative 1x plus 3. So in this case, my slope needs to be negative x, or you can say negative 1x. Okay? So if the y-intercept needs to be 2 and the slope has to be negative x, my answer to meet these two requirements will be y is equal to negative x plus 2. Reminder, parallel lines have the same slope. So that is why I use that exact same slope here.